Hi guys, it's me, Lainey, and I'm terribly sorry that we didn't make our video on Thursday. Please don't hurt me, please don't hurt me, please don't hurt me. Sorry, it wasn't our fault, because we had to go to Chicago to the American Girl place, and Rebecca got a new doll. Yeah. And don't ask me why I'm wearing pajama shorts, a tank top, and sunglasses. No, seriously, don't ask me. This week's theme is, well, dares and pranks and stuff. And Wednesday dared me to make something to eat, which is pretty much nothing. Because, yeah, to the refrigerator. Okay then, to the refrigerator. Open sesame! Okay, it worked. So let's see, that's not, okay, the plate's there, and there's food there. Oh! I've got an idea. I'm gonna make a sandwich. Ooh, ouch, that really hurts. Yeah, a sandwich. I know it's pretty lame, but a sandwich is awesome. Yes, a sandwich. Okay, here's a plate. Whoops! Some bread and lettuce thing. Because I can't have any meat. Well, this is an awkward position. Okay, let's make the sandwich. Mission accomplished. Yeah, I got my sandwich here and my Coke here. Now, all I need to do is sit down and eat it. Okay, here goes nothing. What did I put in that thing? That's why I never cook. Oh yeah. Now I'll just drink my Coke. You know, guess what, guys? Once I drink Coke, it makes me hyper. Gosh, that food was like horrible. Oh my gosh. If you guys tried my food, you guys would like run away and scream. like really. Yeah. I'm a terrible cook. See, who puts a lettuce in a sandwich? Just only bread and a lettuce. Who does that? Me? Yeah, I do that sometimes, but yeah. Ouch. Now this is what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. It's so good. Yummy. I'm gonna clean that up right now. Oh my gosh, that hurts. So yeah, see you guys next week. See ya. Bye. Whoops. I almost forgot. Yeah. Okay, my dare for Friday, well, prank dare kind of thing, it's to steal one of your sister's precious item. Okay, I'm gonna go now.